Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Are you ready to learn something new today? Alright, today we are going to learn a very interesting and a short poem about a garden, which name is a concrete example. So let's start. Okay, so let's start students. Tell me, do you have a garden at your home? Yes. Okay, alright. So you all have a garden. It could be small or big or any size, right? What things are usually found in a garden? What things are usually found in a garden? Okay, take few seconds and then answer. You're right. Flowers, trees, very nice. Butterflies, flower pot, very nice. So my third question is, what kind of garden would you like to have? Take few seconds. Yes, vegetable garden. Next. Okay, flower garden. Medicinal garden. Excellent. These are the essential things that we really need, like fresh vegetables, fruits, flowers, and really a good answer that you said is medicinal garden, because medicinal garden offers immediate access to natural remedies for minor ailment like burn, digestion, stress. The plants that are present in the garden like aloe vera, tulsi, fenugreek, turmeric, ginger. All these are miracle plants are really effective which can be grown at home. So today's poem is about a different type of garden. You already seen many type of garden here. A little unusual but an interesting one. So today's topic is a concrete example. It is a poem written by Reginald Arkell. Reginald Arkell was a British writer. He wrote many poems and stories, especially about gardens. His poems are simple and enjoyable. I want to ask a question here. Is he an Indian poet? Yes or no? What do you think? Okay, good. The answer is no. We can recognize it by seeing his name also, that he is a British writer. Alright, student, let's give this poem a voice. Listen carefully and follow with your eyes. My next door neighbor, Mrs. Jones, has got a garden full of stones, a crazy path, a lily pond, a rockery, and just beyond, a sundial with a strange device, which Mrs. Jones thinks rather nice. Did you like it? Okay, let's recite it again. My next door neighbor, Mrs. Jones, has got a garden full of stones, a crazy path, a lily pond, a rockery, and just beyond, a sundial with a strange device, which Mrs. Jones think rather nice. Okay, so I will explain it, students, one by one. The first line is, my next door neighbor, Mrs. Jones. Here, the speaker is talking about his neighbor, whose name is what? Mrs. Jones. Yes. The next line is, has got a garden full of stones. Here, it means that her garden is unusual. Unusual in the sense it has many stones instead of plants. Because when a word that is garden is come to our mind, we say that it could be full of flowers, trees, butterflies and all. Can you tell me the reason? As we know the reason why it is strange, right? Because her garden is full of stones. Then the next line is a crazy path, a little pond. Here, crazy path means a zigzag or winding path. Alright? Yes. A lily pond means, I'm sure you can tell me. You can tell this? Yes, very good. It means a pond with beautiful lily flowers. The next line is the rockery and just beyond. Here, rockery means a place decorated with stones. Alright? Okay. A sundial with a strange device, which Mrs. Jones think rather nice. Have you heard a word like sundial? Have you heard it? Okay, no problem. So it is definitely a new word for all of you. So a sundial tell time using sunlight. A sundial tells time using sunlight. It's a device that is found in her garden. The next line is which Mrs. Jones thinks rather nice. It means Mrs. Jones likes her garden even it looks strange to others. Alright? So it's the first stanza of the poem. I hope you all get it easy now. I just want to quickly summarize it. This poem shows that everyone has different taste. What looks strange to us may be beautiful to someone else. Alright students? Okay. Shall we move on to the next slide? Okay. Here is the first worksheet for all of you. Complete the poem with the given words. Already I have given the options also. The options are sundial, crazy path, beyond, neighbor, stones, garden, nice, strange. The first question is, the first one is, my next door dash Mrs. Jones. Students, before filling up the options, you already have options here and have to fill the words as it is written in the poem stanzas. Alright? Okay. My next door dash Mrs. Jones. Can you tell me the answer? Yes, neighbor has got a dash full of stones. Yes, very good. Garden, a dash, a lily pond. Take a few seconds. Okay, crazy path. Very good. A rockery and just dash. Okay, beyond. Very nice. A sundial with a dash device. Can you tell me that? Yes, strange device. We already learn it. Which Mrs. Jones thinks rather dash. Yes, nice. Answers are, my next door neighbor, Mrs. Jones, has got a garden full of stones. A lily pond, a crazy path, a lily pond, a rockery and just beyond. A sundial with a strange device, which Mrs. Jones thinks rather nice. Okay, very nice. Shall we move on to the next slide? Okay, here is the worksheet number 2. These are the matching questions, students. So match the words in column A with the related correct meaning in column B. Here are two columns. So the column A, crazy path, lily pond, rockery, sundial. Column B, a device that shows time using sunlight, a garden area with rocks, a pond with lily flowers, a winding or zigzag path. You already know the meanings? Okay, so tell me the answer of crazy path. What do you think? Very good. A crazy path is a winding or zigzag path. Lily pond? Yes, a pond with lily flowers. Sundial? Yes, a device that shows time using sunlight. I already told you that. Okay. Then rockery. Rockery means a garden area with rocks. Excellent. So here is the next slide. Here I have given you assessment questions. Answer the following questions, students. The first question is, who is the speaker's next door neighbor? Take 5 seconds and then you can answer. Yes, Mrs. Jones. Here is the Mrs. Jones. What is Mrs. Jones' garden full of? Yes, you guessed it right. Stones. Here are stones. Name one thing found in Mrs. Jones' garden. You can tell me some of the things also. Okay, yes, a lily pond. Yes, crazy path. Rockery, yes, really nice. So next question is, what kind of path is mentioned in the poem? Yes, very nice. You guessed it right, crazy path. We already learned it. So here is the crazy path. So here are some other questions. Choose the correct answer. First question is, who is the speaker's next door neighbor? Here are the options: Mrs. Brocone, Mrs. Smith and Mrs. Taylor. Okay, what do you think? What is the answer? Yes, very nice. It is Mrs. Jones. Excellent. Second question is, Mrs. Jones' garden is full of dash. Here are the options: flowers, trees, stones, fruits. Here are the fourth option. So what do you think? Which is the answer? Yes, it is stones. Mrs. Jones' garden is full of stones. The third question is, what is mentioned in the garden? Lily pond, playground, swimming pool, river. So can you tell me that? You are right. It is lily pond. You already see the pictures? Yes, we already seen the picture. Okay. So the next questions are match type question. Here are the matchings. Match the words in column A with the related word in column B. Column A, here are the options: crazy, lily, strange, Mrs. In column B, Jones, device, pond, path. So you have to match column A with appropriate word with column B. So the first is crazy. Yes, you guessed it right. It is crazy path. Very good. Second, lily. Yes, it is lily pond. Third is strange. Yes, it is strange device. The fourth is Mrs. Yes, you guessed it right, Mrs. Jones. So, it is crazy path, lily pond, strange device and Mrs. Jones. So, this is the assessment slide. Here are some questions. Again in column form. Complete the table by making new words in column 1 using the hints given in column 2. Replace the first letter of the given word to create new words. One example has been done for you. Did you get it? So here are column 1, column 2. You have to match the column 1 with appropriate meaning with column 2. So look at the example. Cut into small pieces. Like this is dice. So what could be kind and polite to others? Think and answer. Yes, it is nice because dice is quite rhyme with nice and it is also the meaning of kind and polite to others. Then the third one is grain that we cook. Because we have a kitchen at our home, so we can relate with it. Okay, rice, very nice. Then plural of mouse. I think you already know that. Mice, really nice. Okay, fourth one is bad habit. Bad habit, yes, this is wise. So here is the question number 2, which is again in column form. Here are column 1 and here is column 2. So the first example has been done for you. Just like top layer of the earth in which plants grow, it is called soil, as you already know that. So what is heat something? That can be rhyme also with soil. Can you answer it? Take few seconds. Yes, it is boil, which is rhyme with soil. Okay, then work very hard. You guess it right. It is toil. Then length of wire in a circle. Do you know that? It is coil. Excellent. Next, sheets to wrap food items. Very nice. It is foil. So these are all the rhyming words. That is soil, boil, toil, coil and foil. Very nice. It is foil. So these are all the rhyming words. That is soil, boil, toil, coil and foil. Here is the homework. So write 5 to 6 sentences about my dream garden. You already learned about garden. So I have to tell you that you have to answer 5 to 6 sentences that you really admire in a garden. I hope you all enjoy the session. Thank you all for bringing such great energy in this session. See you in the next session. Thank you.
ଖୁସିରେ ଶିଖିବା ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ଅଧିକାର। ନମସ୍କାର। ଖୁସିରେ ଶିଖିବା ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ଅଧିକାର। ନମସ୍କାର।